Amazing is turning your lounge into a stadium. Debonair's Pizza. Try something amazing.
Itiski TV powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Ndazi ukuthi le team idlala amafinal amangaki le. I mean, I think fans of Orlando Pirates are the most tired fans apha kwi-Betway Premiership. They've been traveling all over the country, winning them, losing some, losing one, but winning majority of them. And bebedlala i-final just 2 months ago, ye-MTN 8 eMbombela. Yaqala i-culling Black Label, but abanye no, it's our chance. But Orlando Pirates abuza ukuthi okay, it's your chance, but ndidlala nabani again kwi-final. Orlando Pirates are through to the final of i-culling Knockout Cup. Mhlobam, andikubulisa kunjani?
Shane ngiyaphila mngwana munjani?
Hey, mhlobam, I'm okay.
Nifuna ukunikeza wonke umuntu la studio kumele abe ne-final yakhe from Orlando Pirates. Mangaki la ma-final, wonke umuntu uzophaka ngama-final.
Yeah, Muzin.
Yeah.
Besibukela umdlalo we-Richards Bay. La performance second half. Andifuna ungatsho ukuthi hey, ikhe yanaka undothusa ngona. Hayi, le-Richards Bay.
Yeah.
Ndiyaqala uyibona this season. And this buzo ukuthi as team if ziyakwazi udlala lohlobo for 45 minutes. If Richards Bay ngadlala ngala performance for let's say 70 minutes against Stellenbosch or against Marumo Gallants, don't you think mhlawumbe bangafumana something, Bobo?
Shane, ithi ngibulisa amajida la studio.
Yeah.
Njengoba ngiceda ukubulisa nawe Shane. Yeah, lento engifuna ukuyisho manje Shane, akusho ukuthi ngidelela iGolden Arrows or ngidelela iMarumo Gallants. But ngithi congratulations Shane. Ukuthi uphakamise le trophy. Ngiyazi Pirates they don't play ama-finals, they win ama-finals man. Okunye kumele sivume. Angibadelela, I know ukuthi final, but Shane, we team engibona ngathi we favorite ukuthi ingalifta le trophy. The performance Orlando Pirates enayo nangendlela mhlambe i-depth ye-Orlando Pirates ingakhona. Uyabona ucoach ma rotator i-team yakhe. Abadlali abafikayo baletha something, even though abanye mhlambe match fitness isabashaya, but uma ungathi uyibheka abadlali abafana nabo Van Rooyen bazi ukuthi Orlando Pirates idlala kanjani, they understand ukuthi yini ucoach ayidingayo ku-Orlando Pirates. So ngiyacabanga iOrlando Pirates Shane sayibongisa today ukuthi udlala ama-finals we-culling technical team iOrlando Pirates no coach Wadu. Ngiyacabanga wena Shane uma ngithi ngiyabheka ucoach Ncikazi kuna something abagood ngayo no coach Wadu ku communication. Uma ungayibheka le Orlando Pirates le manje sengicala ukuyibona ingibisela back to le Orlando Pirates yaka coach Ribeiro. La khona Shane sometimes uma ngathi uyabheka iplay Orlando Pirates bengadlali nge-right winger most of the time. Beletha lela winger uma ngabe elifana noSaleng uma ngabe badlala neSundowns, knowing very well ukuthi uyeza azoyenza umsebenzi kuSundowns uSaleng. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi uma ngabe banganalo lela winger namanje ngiyabona ukuthi bazama ukulibulala le winger. Apolice uyambona ukuthi akahlala lapha kulela side. Lesa space uyascreator for a right back Orlando Pirates. Unfortunately today umdlalo ofana no Van Rooyen ngiyacabanga akazange afune ukusebenzisa lesa space too much ngoba ifitness yamshaya. Bekakhatha in yilento beyenza uLibitso uma ngabe iOrlando Pirates idlala kule right back phambilini bebasebenzisa uLibitso to operate lesa space. You understand? Ngabona nalentwana uDlozi uma bamletha bekadlala the same.
Yeah.
Ukuthi adlale as a half wing angene ngaphakathi so that bakhona ukujoina nabadlali abafana nabo Nemtajela, abadlali abafana nabo Mbuli, but iwingers emele lisebenze lidlale ngapha uMremi la khona simbona letha ama crosses uMremi eboxini uletha ama cross eboxini but waletha le ku far pole akunamuntu. Ngiyacabanga yila mhlambe bekumele kube nomdlalo Orlando Pirates for ukuthi akhona ukuletha leyo bhola futhi ku 6 area box or decision making athatha ibhola lethe netini. So ngicabanga ukuthi ngendlela mhlambe ngithi coach Ncikazi wenza lento mhlambe ake wayisebenzisa phambilini ano coach Ribeiro Orlando Pirates uyabona. So angisho ukuthi ayikho into esebenza ku coach Wadu. Uma ungayibheka bakhona ubreaker phakathi namanje kuma pockets. Bheka uMbatha de uyadlala kahle ngakhona today. Beyakwazi ukuphasa amabhola kuphi phakathi bakwazi ukubreaker kule line. You understand? So ngiyacabanga ukuthi uma uyothatha yonke lento ihlanganise Orlando Pirates iba dangerous because iyeza direct iyeza na ku side la left ukumrame just decision making sometimes iba letha down uma ungabheka umdlalo ofana noButhuma ngiyasho ngithi uma ungathola lamabhola owalethe boxing the way umrame waletha ngakhona bese uba notsokofatso mabasa lapha phakathi boxing ngiyacabanga uzofinisha lo yamdlali uzofinisha because nayo uButhuma ngiyamazi area ugude enhlokweni sengikhulumela lento ukuthi uma ngabe unomdlalo ofana nomabasa bese uletha lamabhola eboxing as long unomdlalo kwazi ukuhlala lapha eboxing kuningi ongakubona Shane so Orlando Pirates idlala kahle kakhulu but it was a tough match for Orlando Pirates Shane akuzange kube lula for Orlando Pirates umehluko bekhona uma ungayibheka uma uthi reader kahle le game kube leli goli nje elenza umehluko uma ungabheka Richards Bay ikwazile ukuphendula imibuzo first round izamile ukudlala the first 5 minutes Richards Bay but Orlando Pirates yawuthatha lo mdlalo ya dominate ball position abo Nemtajela abo Mbule but bheki Richards Bay uthenzani Shane ifuna iba careful kakhulu kuma second ball abanikeza abadlali beOrlando Pirates space if uMbule bamazi ukuthi uGoody ngokuthena uGoody ngokuskena quick macala bamba ibhola baba sebayampressa ukuthi at least angabi comfortable ekuholdeni la ball you understand yilento bebayenza ukuthi at least akube nabantu abawu2 if lo uzokudisturb then kuzoba nomuntu mhlambe ozokhona ukuwina second ball into bezama ukuyenza ku midfield Orlando Pirates that is why Orlando Pirates ngibone second half struggle kakhulu because Richards Bay beyenzani beyibuya ngabadlali abafana nabo Tigers bebabuya back bazolo uyibheke ukuthi benzani Shane uma babuya bazo assista emuva then kwenza ukuthi umcineka noma buye bakwazi ukuhlala la ku center back boy 2 banga split because bazi ukuthi bane backup ngale ukhona umdlalo ofana noMabuya angisho kunoMabuya noMabuya so uma buya yilo adlala ku right back uye beyazama ukuthi at least bam assist abuye so that umcineka azophusha kahle bahlale la ku center back anoMabuya you understand so ngiyacabanga ukuthi kubancede kakhulu lokho ukuthi banga break la kule defense yabo so that bamake babe close to each other so that bakwazi ukuthi ama second ball bakwazi ukuwina because if bazo split beyizoba breaker kakhulu Orlando Pirates that is why umbatha amashala amaphasi bekufostele ukuthi bawabisele back yila ubona khona uMbule a drop deep first half ayonzani ayo collect because uyabona ukuthi ba overloadile labantu laba le low block yabo bayi overloader basele ngomdlalo ofana bani noMango ngoba uyabuya umdlalo ofana no ubani nentwana Georges number 18 ngebuya Golden Arrows umthizwa uyabuya uzodropa mina ngibona Shane njengayo uMango ubalete down the only player le team down uMango why ungazama ukucontroller ididing yakho itempo yakho isimo sifana dala cishe uyafana nomdlalo ofana noGustin Serino obuya kuMamelodi Sundowns odlala Kaizer Chiefs bayafana abadlali sometimes umdala Shane uyazi ukuthi kunama decision ureferee azowathatha mhlambe angabe sayidini lakho but zama ukusicontrol udlala nentwana ezincane kumele bafunde kuwe so uma ngabe wena uzohluthuka phela bamkhiphe kungafanelanga ukuthi aphume and but sometimes ezinye izinto zenzeka ngendlela yazo ukuphuma kwaMango bheka umdlalo ofana noFree ukuthi uzenzani uMahala ufike wenza umehluko omkhulu kakhulu that guy was pressing was beka shield always beka win amabhola mangabe badlala ama long ball so uyabona ukuthi yilento mhlambe kumele ukuthi if mhlambe beka khona bamlethile nayo wabakhona because uMahala udlale better than uMango de uyadlala ngakhona because beyakwazi ukushaya ama run off the ball beyakwazi ukushield the ball ukwazi ukuphasana ngechest we understand so give credit man ku bench le Richards Bay give credit kubadlali beRichards Bay I think baphendulile imibuzo Orlando Pirates unlike ukuthi mhlambe bathole heavy score we all know ukuthi Orlando Pirates iphethe quality idlala ibhola eligrand Shane but give credit kulabo badlali bheka umdlalo odlala la phakathi Shane ngimthanda kakhulu lamfana Shane umdlalo ofana no nithubani uZulu umkhumbuzo uNdwandwe from Golden Arrows ngithi ukutshela umkhumbuzo uNdwandwe from Golden Arrows uwina yonke into lo yamdlali uyambona ukuthi ucomfortable in the middle of the park decision making yilento esiyidingayo ngaphakathi uma silwinile in the middle of the park singamani silahle Shane
do something
so 22 sifuna lela bhola why kumele silahle so badlale kahle kakhulu man abadlali beRichards Bay but Orlando Pirates give credit nayo ukuthi ikhona ukuwina igame yokuma final Shane
ngazi kwi games ezinje you will find ukuthi if a team has a striker like uNox Mutizwa and also Kapatino Mango normally ezinye coach mhlawumbe uzaqala uMango second half azisa mhlawumbe uMutizwa okanye aqale ngoMutizwa second half azisa uMango but Richards Bay technical team baqale ngabo bobabini what do you think they were trying to achieve pha into lebefuna uyenza kula defense Orlando Pirates
you know why benza so Shane bazile ukuthi kunoTigers bafuna ukuthi a drop abuye so kumele babe nabadlali aba aggressive up front the more baletha lama winger abo ukuthi abuye azo-assista i-right back ne-left back sebarelaya kubani kumtizwa nomango ukuthi nge-counter attack bazobanceda than ukuthi badlalise umuntu oyi-1 because bekuzoyenza ukuthi bangabi na something going forward if bayidlala nge-strike esi-1 so now baletha labadlali ukuthi babe yi-2 ukuthini sirelaya kubo boyi-2 uma siwina ibhola guys nonke niyabuya ngapha i-winger laka left nalaka right liyabuya lizo-assista ama-fullback wethu but uma silwina siyazi ukuthi sina 2 ama-attack are very aggressive and uyazi abadlali abafana nabomango decision making abadlali abafana nabo abomutizwa bagood so ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-game plan yabo bekuyiloko ukuthi singadefenda nga-8 but sina 2 yabadlali abangakwazi ukuyisenzela umsebenzi going forward.
Well, Bobzin, enkosi kakhulu mhlobami for your analysis. Besibukela umdlalo ke we Carling knockout card semi-finals and lapho ke Orlando Pirates yazibekela indawo kwi-final yayo ke le Carling knockout cup. The last time they played the final it was back in PE. Bedlala ke ne team edlala nawo ke NFT Baroka. Usayikhumbula ngoma ka King Monada. Ithi sa Idibala.
Ngiyayikhumbula shini
zazi idibala inona ze Baroka pha eGqeberha Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium asazi ke I just hope ngathi ingaya pha eGqeberha ikhe kuyodlala ephondweni because we feel so comfortable kwawudlala uyazi ukuthi okay Eastern Cape we are at home so let's just go and play there but PSL is announce ukuthi idlala phi I don't even think there's anyone up in studio yazi ukuthi izodlala phi la final ya but into endikhayela ngasiyodlala pha man Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium but is our announce PSL maybe on Monday when tomorrow after the game ye Marumo Gallants ne Golden Arrows it's a repeat because akhumula ku Betway Premiership I Golden Arrows ye abethe abhula masaka ngo 4-0 hopefully okanye mhlawumbi ke ucoach Manqoba Mnqithu uzathi okay no ndiyanazi makuthini abaphinde okanye mhlawumbi coach ayi Marumo Gallants uzathi no not this time around but into ekuzanyanzeleka yenzikile ngomso akho draw. There will have to be a winner, Ngomso, and the winner will have to go and face Orlando Pirates ke finally Carling Knockout Cup. And namhlanje ke Durban's Moses Mabhida Stadium is Orlando Pirates 1, Richards Bay FC 0. Thank you so much for watching iDisky TV.
Shapunjani bafowethu igama lami Lindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDisky TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDisky TV.